Today, I want to teach you how to stretch the chest muscles, which are called pectoralis. They are important muscles for people who have neck pain, i.e. for many of us, because they have an impact on round shoulder posture, and round shoulder posture is one of the three factors of what's called the upper cross syndrome, which is mid-back round, shoulders forward, head forward, and therefore compressions here in the anterior neck region, for example. What you have to understand is that when we talk about chest muscles, we talk about multiple things. The upper layer of the chest muscles is called the pectoralis major, and this one has three sections, which will explain the three stretches. And under that, there's the pectoralis minor, which is a small muscle that will pull your collarbones forward. So you see, the under layer will really act on your round shoulders, and this goes together often with an inward rotation of your arms as well as bringing them in front of your body. So basically, what we will see, when you see someone going like this on the street, you know that the pectoralis major, the upper layer, is short because the hands are rotated inwards, and that will pull the shoulders forward. For office workers, this is an important muscle because you see, when I'm on my keyboard, well, I naturally tend to have this inward rotation and shoulders forward. So many office workers, due to the long hours spent on their keyboard or mouse, will tend to be closed here, and this is why this type of exercise is really should belong to your daily routine actually. Both the upper and the under layer will radiate pain in the direction of your chest, shoulder, and slightly to the inside compartment of your forearm. To stretch, I will use my massage table, but obviously you can use your couch, your bed, doesn't matter, any surface which is a bit high. The exercise will be done lying down on your back with your heels in direction of your buttocks, so as to make sure that your back is flat on the surface. You can use a small pillow, and basically we will let the arm hang down, palms to the ceiling. Palms to the ceiling because we know that the upper layer, the pectoralis minor, turns the arm like this. So to stretch it, we open the arm. And as we work on three sections, we will stretch in the middle, low, and high. Okay? And the next step will be to make sure that our collarbone is, say, down in direction of the table and not up in direction of the ceiling. So here we go. I will put my collarbone up in direction of the ceiling and down. And I use my right hand to make sure that the left collarbone stays down. Now I put my arm at 90 degrees, really with the arm open, i.e. turned externally, and I let it hang. I let it hang for a minute. If I like, I can use a technique which is called post-isometric relaxation, which is when I inhale, I resist gravity, and when I exhale, I let go. Okay? It's important that you're sufficiently close to the edge of the table so that your arm can really hang loosely in the air. And you make sure that your collarbone does not want to move in direction of the ceiling again. This you will hold for 1 minute, then we go up again, and we go to the lower position. Here I feel that my collarbone would really like to come up, so again I glue it to the table and I let my arm hang loosely. Again I can do resist gravity and down. And this I will hold for another minute. Then we go to the third section, which is up there almost along your ear, and you let your arm hang down. There the clavicle will quite naturally want to stay in its low position, so there should be no big challenge. And same, you hold it for 1 minute. What I observe though is, you see, my back wants to hollow, so I resist and flatten my back. Keep the back flat at all times. And same, you can resist gravity on inhaling and exhale. and after a minute you come back and you do the other side. This exercise belongs to my daily routine when I go to bed, and I strongly advise that you do the same.